In this video, I'm going to show you the best ways to make money from your phone in 2023. Starting with apps that pay you $80 per day and ending with an insane app that has personally made me hundreds of thousands of dollars. First up is a very odd way to earn money with your phone, but I promise it's not as weird as it seems. It's being someone's friend virtually. How it works is you sign up on sites like Rent-A-Friend, FriendPC, PapaPow, or the 20 others, and you will be paid to conversate with lonely people. Like if we look at FriendPC's site, you can see you can book a virtual friend as a life coach, a normal friend, someone to play games with, so you could literally be paid to play duos with someone. And lastly, oh, let's go, I can finally get a girlfriend by booking one virtually. That was a joke, I am kidding, but if you wanted to do that, there are some relatively attractive women on here that charge $10 to $100 per hour. So if you're an attractive woman or maybe even a dude, you could potentially make more than someone with a master's degree by being someone's virtual partner for a few hours. But I definitely not recommend that because you'd have to deal with weirdos. So if you wanted to just talk to people, you'd be paid $15 to $40 per hour for doing so. Or if you're a gamer, you could be paid $20 to $200 per hour for gaming with lonely people. Then if we look at Rent-A-Friend, which is another friend renting website, you can see this one is for in-person friend rentings. Like you could rent a friend for dinner or the movies, rent a friend to show you around an unfamiliar town, rent a friend of all ages, rent a friend to attend a meeting or event with you, rent a friend to play sports or share a hobby with. Hell, you can even rent a wingman to help you slay some coochie. So that could be you, the coochie slayer helper. Just sign up, set your hourly rate, and then you will appear in the find a friend section. Like if I was looking for a female in Miami, Florida to go bowling with, I'd enter that information, press search, then pay them to hang out with me. On average, you'd make $15 to $100 per hour by doing this, but I'm not gonna lie, I take it back. This is very weird, so let's get into the next way to make money with your phone. Number 2 is the perfect way to make some extra money from your phone whenever you're chilling in bed, on public transport, or even when you're expelling massive logs into the toilet. It's Google Opinion Rewards. This is Google's version of those apps that pay you to take surveys, but it actually works because it's run by Google. And if you don't believe me, maybe you'll believe the over 3 million 5-star reviews it has. 99% of the users love the app and get paid from it every day. So if there's already 3 million people getting paid by Google Opinion Rewards, I'm sure you could be the 3 millionth person and start making money from it right now. How it works is you sign up with your Google account and take very small surveys that pay 25 cents to $5 each. And although that doesn't sound like much, if you actually read the reviews, people say they can do $21 surveys in an hour, so that equals $20 per hour. Plus, these surveys are super easy and often somewhat fun, like choosing what ice cream is the best for a certain occasion, selecting reasons why the school system sucks, or random stuff like which famous boss would you like to work for. Now, of course, taking surveys would never make you rich, but it is a nice way to make an extra $20 to $40 per day. And what's crazy is you can get more than $40 for free right now by doing the next money-making method. App 3 is investing app rewards. This side hustle is by far the easiest one in this video because it takes less than an hour to do, and everyone who does it is guaranteed over $50. How it works is investing apps want new members, so they give everyone who signs up free money in stocks. There's about 50 apps that do this, but it only works if you have the special sign up link. So I compiled the 4 best ones I could find in my description, so it's very easy for y'all to get the most money possible. First up is Webull. Webull is the perfect app for beginners or experienced traders, and they have the best sign up bonus. Right now, when you deposit any amount of money, you are guaranteed $3,000 to $3,000, and if you deposit over $100, you are guaranteed $34,000 to $30,600. Thousands of y'all have already signed up and gotten your free money, including this dude who got $3 grand and this dude who got $600. So if you want that to possibly be you, click the link in my description, press get started, create an account with your phone number. Then once your money is deposited into Webull, you will get your free $34,000 to $30,600 in stocks. And for everyone asking, yes, you can withdraw all the money to your bank account immediately once you get it, but Webull is a great investing platform, and I'd highly recommend investing it instead of having your money lose value in the bank. Then the other 3 apps with great sign-up bonuses are Robinhood, Moomoo, and Coinbase. In total, you'll get over $50 by depositing the needed amount on all those apps in my description. So make sure to do that right now, starting with Webull because it has the best sign-up bonus. Then come back and finish finish the video after you created and funded all those accounts. App 4, Honeygain. Honeygain is basically free money, just like the investing app rewards, because once you set it up, you get paid to do nothing. How it works is companies pay Honeygain to track online tendencies people have, hoping they can understand users better and make more money. So Honeygain will pay you some of the money the company pays them if you allow Honeygain to access your browsing history. Like if we look on their website, you can see they will pay anywhere from $18 to $180 per month for simply giving them access to the data that shows how you interact with things online. From what I've read and heard, it is pretty trustworthy, but I'd only do this if you really need the money. So if you choose to use Honeygain, make sure to do it safely. The fifth way to profit from your cellular device is by making thumbnails. For those that don't know what a thumbnail is, well, you do because you clicked on one before watching this video. Regardless if it was because of the massive bag of money I'm holding, or the $6 grand on my phone, or the 100K per year at the bottom, some part of the thumbnail grabbed your attention, which made you click on it, and now you're halfway through this video all because of that thumbnail. So of course YouTubers will pay you well to create great thumbnails because that gets us clicks, which equals views, which makes us money. YouTube is a business after all, just like Amazon or your local car dealership. All parts need to be working well to succeed. And since most YouTubers aren't skilled to do all the parts like editing, making thumbnails, script writing, etc., they will pay you to do them. And in most cases, you don't need experience because there are apps that have thumbnail templates that make it very easy for you. Like the Canva mobile app is free and it allows you to put your creator's face in any of these templates, then all you have to do is fill in the text and other small details. Or if you're lazy, you could use AI to create thumbnails. DALL-E 2 is perfect for thumbnail creation and it is completely free for the time being. So if you took that route, you'd basically be doing nothing besides inputting the picture in the DALL-E 2, writing a description, and pressing generate. And if you're wondering how much you can make from thumbnail design, it could be as low as $100 per week or in the thousands of dollars per week range if you acquire lots of high-paying clients. It all depends how good you are and more importantly how you sell yourself. The sixth method to making money on your phone is by far the best method ever. I've personally made over $500,000 from it and made other people millions in total. And guess what? You can do the same thing if you use the secret strategies my agency used to succeed at it. That's awesome, Logan, and we want to do it, but what is it? Well, if you're a long-time viewer of the channel, I'm sure you already know what it is, but for the people who don't, it's Snapchat Spotlight. Basically how it works is you post videos on Snapchat's short-form content platform, which is called Spotlight, and if one of your videos goes viral, you can be paid over $100,000. Well, at least it used to be that much. Now it's slightly lower, and the only way to truly succeed at Spotlight is by implementing the secret tactics I teach you at the end of this video. It's a 3-minute guide on how to make money with Snapchat in 2023, so make sure to watch that right now. Also, sign up for the investing apps in my description, hit subscribe, and God bless.